It gets finer grain. This is, I think, a dime piece with all the grains in it, and slice it and polish it. So this is then cut with a little rock saw and then polished on one of those laps that goes around the grid on it and make it very smooth. You take that piece and you glue it onto a glass slide, a microscope slide, and then you slice it again, very thin, like 3/100 of an inch thick, and you polish it down to the right thickness.
They're orange. Is it really purple? Yes. Like,
That's right. So what difference do you see between this lava flow and the one we walked on a few days ago when we went out to see the?
There was actual plants growing at the other lava flow, or the beginning.
See, developed vegetation. Why it's not here?
Rain.
The reason is that the climate. This is very dry here. There just isn't enough water. We had those are the contrasts. You can have the same lava flow on both sides of the island, but then what happens to it eventually it depends on the climate. If you walk in, this is actually much easier to walk on than it is to walk on the beach. You sink down. And then the other reason.
Not like just getting burned. That's all.
Ocean rocks here. You got all those back here. Tsunami, that's a very good answer, because that's probably one possibility. If you go way back, you can find really big waves. Look back towards the ocean. It's kind of high. There's more and more gravel, more and more boulders. That's all due to really big storms throwing these rocks way back in here. In fact, a lot of this sediment along the shoreline here is due to storms only. You'll find accumulations of big coral heads in areas where they're like several feet or tens of feet from the water. They only are deposited during giant storms. Fish, plants, great places for school trips, learn a lot. But he'll do that because it's not hard.
This guy has a cephalothorax. The head and the thorax are fused together, and then the abdomen is on the underside. This is the female. The female's abdomen is very wide. What is the difference between a female and a male? What does a female have to do to lay eggs? So she carries her eggs in that abdomen, and so it's very, very wide. The male's abdomen is very narrow. So yesterday's find was the male. All right, so when it sheds its skin, it basically pops the trunk here. Okay, just like this. Right, pops its trunk, and it literally walks out backwards each foot one at a time, one leg at a time, and it moves to shed this skin. And it has a skin underneath it, but it's very soft. All right, right. And so maybe.
Backwards. Make a do it on this side, you have to do it on the other side. Keep doing that. Up. And you're going to take this side. Because this piece is on the other side.
Okay, I need help.
With the shiny side facing. Stop, David. Okay.
Facing.
I think that is kind of big. No. And you know when you get in a nice breeze, it's pretty fun because it just blows and blows and blows. I have one of these in the air conditioner of the car. I stuck the stick in there, and it just goes, and everybody can see it when I'm driving.
Yeah, this one you're gonna miss really soon. He's a closet.